Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pick a random number from a Python list. So I'm going to create my list called mList, set that equals to, here I can pass in some values inside my list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the next step is we have to import the Python library called random. You can do this in the top of your code. For example, before the list. Alright. And the next step, you can create a new variable for your new random number, or just directly grab that. Set that equals to random.choice. So inside this method, we have to pass in our list. In our case, it is mList. Okay. Now it will able to provide us some random number. Okay, now we can go ahead and print it. Random number. Okay, we got 5 this time, and we can run this code again. So it will provide us another number. Now we got number 1. Now what I will do is just take this code inside to print, then run that. We got 1 again, and let's run it again, and we got 2 and we got 5. Okay,